Hello guys, welcome to my admin tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix page not available, your IT administrator has limited access. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue page not available, your IT administrator has limited access, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. You just need to right click on that, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you need to copy paste one command what I will provide in my video description link. Just select copy and press Ctrl+V key to paste and hit enter. After completion of this, just you need to close this window and you have to open Regedit. Just click on this start menu again, then type here Regedit. Just click on this registry editor, click on yes. Here you just need to copy paste this registry editor path, right click on that, copy and select this top of this window and paste it and hit enter. And you just need to right click on this pan, click on new divert32 value and you have to rename this as disable anti-spyware. And hit enter. Double click on that and make sure the value should be 0 and click OK. Again you need to right click on this pan, click on new divert32 value and rename it as disable real-time monitoring. And hit enter. Double click on that and then make sure the value should be 0. Click OK. After that, in left second you can see here under Windows Defender you will find Policy Manager. You have to click on that, come to the right section pan, click on new, click on divert32 value. Here you need to rename it as AllUsers UI and hit enter. Double click on that and make sure value should be 1, then click OK, then close this window. After trying, you have to restart your PC and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then again you have to open the PowerShell. Just you need to click on start menu and type here PowerShell. Click on Windows PowerShell and just copy this last command and press Ctrl+V to paste and hit enter. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your IT administrator has limited access. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.